Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for watching. I am Nisha and you're watching from Nisha's View, and if this is your first time catching me, tuning in to my channel, thank you. And on this channel I talk about fashion and I talk about photography. Today we are on the photography side, so you know what this is. It's photography talk with Nisha. Now, what are we gonna talk about today? It's an unboxing. It's an unboxing of my camera. As you can see, I haven't opened it, so we're gonna open it together. Here's the camera, here's the box. Yeah, I'm super excited about this. I really am. Yeah, I'm really excited. Really excited about it. All right, so we're gonna open it up and just see what's in it. Of course, I'm not gonna, go into everything right now. I just wanted to really just open it up on camera and just share what was in the box. So, of course, we have the directions that I probably never read. You have a battery, and again, in my other video, I had mentioned that this camera has the bigger battery than the R8, which was one of the reasons of the decision to get the R6 Mark II, was because of the battery. So has the bigger battery, comes with your charger, of course. So yeah, that. And of course, being that I have the R6, I can use this battery and the battery with my R6 the same. So that's good. Okay. And of course, you have your strap. This is a little different here. The top is different than the R6, and actually, I don't want to really go into the different components of it yet. I just really wanted to do an unboxing and a first look of the camera. My next couple of videos will definitely be going into the differences that I see, between the R6 and the R6 Mark II. So this is just basically a really unboxing. I love it. Yeah, swivel screen, of course. So now I pretty much have got to go to YouTube University and look up some things on how I'm going to start using her. So yeah, that is my unboxing of my new baby, of my, telling you every time. But this is definitely, long overdue, especially since I had the issues with my R6. So I will definitely be bringing more content around this on how I'm figuring things out, the differences in the R6 and the Mark II. I'm gonna set it up because I'm doing some landscape stuff in a couple of weeks and a few weekends. So I definitely want to make sure that I have everything set up like I like it and be prepared. So that's it, guys. I am so happy. I am thrilled to have her and can't wait to share my experience with her and any issues that I might see crop up or whatever. So that's it. That's all that I have. Thank you, guys. Thank you all for your comments in regards to, me choosing which one that I want and which one that I went with. So I thank you guys for that input. And of course, definitely subscribe if you're watching. Hit the comments, comment down below and like this video, of course. So until next time, I'll talk to you then.
Thanks for watching my GG channel. Period.